He's a funny guy. So what did? So what are you doing to this one?
This is one of our customers' bikes. He was down at I think Ocean City Bike Week, and he had sounds put in the SE system in the front for the front two speakers. So that consists of like a 1200 watt amplifier, a DSP, and it's all pre-set up for rear speakers. So now when he got back from Ocean City, he called me up and said, "Hey, I want a little more sound. Let's do some rears." So
you're a dealer for sounds, right?
I'm a dealer, yeah. So I ordered up the rear setup from Sounds, and I called my rep, and he said that while he was out there and he got everything installed, they pre-wired the system. They pre-wired it for rear.
Okay.
So it should be a pretty quick install. We're going to...
So you got to cut into the bags, right?
I'm going to cut the bags. They're mount to 6x9s. And if Sounds did it like they normally do it, right back here, they should have left the harness for me already. Let's see.
So you do full sound systems here, right?
Yeah, even for the new bikes, they have a new A to B box that'll get rid of the issue of, having to keep the factory amplifier.
Gotcha.
Yeah, and there it is.
They did, huh?
They left me the plug here. So basically all I got to do is cut these bags, put the 6x9s in, poke a hole in the side, and bring it out.
And then there's like a splitter or something that you have for...
Yeah, I'll show you the splitter.
Cool.
Pause that up.
Yep. Do you install any other kits or just the Sounds?
For now, I'm doing the Sounds, or we do custom audio. Not much of it, but I'm going to look into Cicada now makes one.
Oh, okay.
So I'm going to start looking into that. I met with a rep while we were at the Motorcycle Expo in Florida. So I met with the rep, and I'm going to give him a call.
You're doing Cicadas on the Street Glide.
Yes.
Yeah.
But Cicada also makes a kit like this now. That's already pre-terminated, plug and play.
Oh, wow.
So this will go to the plug that's under the seat. And then this
to each speaker.
Goes to each speaker, and it tells you where to put everything. You drill the hole. It's got a rubber grommet.
Nice.
So then when you take your saddlebag off,
that's sweet.
That stays with the
right.
Okay, these are the SE speakers, which is the higher line. They have a Mirus setup. That is,
what is that?
Mirus is their lower line, so it comes, I believe, with an 800 watt amp. These are carbon.
What amp does he have in here?
1200.
Oh, 1200. Geez. Okay.
These are carbon fiber.
Oh wow, nice.
So it's a nice carbon fiber speaker. And I want to show you. Carbon fiber speaker with a serviceable tweeter. So if the tweeter blows,
oh no kidding,
screw comes out the back, tweeter quarter turn and pull out.
Get out of here.
Pop a new one in.
That is cool.
Yeah.
Very cool.
So
that is nice.
Yeah. So they're nice really speakers. Nice. So these are not systems that you're gonna quote unquote parking lot pimp with. Like you're not gonna be competition. This is a rider system.
A rider system.
You're gonna hear the system at 100 miles an hour.
Nice.
And it's going to be, good clear audio at that speed.
Yeah.
It's not going to sound like, some of the competition bikes you see out there, but that's not what it's. That's
right.
Its purpose is for people who want to ride and hear their music.
Exactly. All right, cool. So what are you going to do now?
I'm going to drill a couple of holes into these spots, and I'm going to take a jigsaw and I'm going to cut that out, and then that's it.
And is there like a pot or something, or the speaker just plops in there?
Yeah, so they have a whole, here it is. Sorry, a little mess today. We got a lot of projects going on. Okay.
Nice.
So this goes on the inside. This is your outside. This sandwiches together. There's rubber gaskets on everything for sealing. There's also a rubber gasket in between the grill. So that'll keep the water out of your bag if you're in the rain.
Stupid question. Or maybe it's not, but once the speaker's in here, it's all sealed. Where does that? If it rains, does the water accumulate?
It'll accumulate on top of the speaker.
Once you turn it on, it's like the sound will push it out. Or
you can flip the lid.
Oh, gotcha.
It's more for riding in the rain because
Right.
it's not going to accumulate when you're riding. If the bike's parked in the rain, then
Right.
we do. Sometimes it'll sit in the speaker.
Right.
And we just flip the
But they're built
saddlebags in.
for.
Yeah, they're waterproof.
Gotcha. They're
Yeah.
built for that. All right, cool.
They're power sports speakers. So.
All right, we'll show you guys how Mike does this, the installation, and then we'll turn the bike on, and I want to hear how it sounds. Ooh, Mike made a hole. Nice. Yeah, that's great.
And then what I do is I pre-taped it, but I taped
Right.
this part on
Right.
also because you see how some of the blue tape is still there?
Yep.
That's where, it wasn't cut perfectly straight. So now we just get in here with one of these. That ain't going anywhere. Minutes.
One more, and then we're going to turn on and hear how it sounds. Could you let us hear how just the front sounds?
Yeah, because that's.
Well, let me ask you, is there like an EQ or something with this? Or
So you still would use your basic Harley bass and treble.
Gotcha.
We as dealers can tweak the sound a little bit. We can get into the DSP and tweak it a little bit. Let's see.
And that's only the front too.
Yeah.
That's loud. Oof.
It's pretty clear too.
Yeah.
It's not that bad.
And even the bass.
Yeah.
All right, can't wait.
The 6x9s are going to add some nice.
Yeah, can't wait to hear everything.
That's a huge bitch. You got a fucking movie with Deuce Bigelow?
Oh, two Spiegel. Oh, yeah.
Walking around, he's dating a big German girl.
Yeah.
Every day he's walking down the street. Like, that's a huge bitch.
Is Tina here?
Yes,
I'm Deuce Bigelow. Her date?
I get my things.
I love this place. Where are you from again?
Norway.
Great! I hear great things about it.
Holy shit, it's Bigfoot!
You know, this place has gone way downhill. What do you say we go somewhere else?
That's a huge bitch!
So we'll generally go about 2 inches. I'm gonna go a little lower. I'm gonna go 2 inches from there.
Jesus. All right, so that's in.
So we'll take this. Pop that grommet in.
Nice. And that's it, right? Back on.
Yep, I just gotta run the cable here on this side.
So once you plug this in, it's pretty much good to go? Or is
Yeah,
there
because-
something you have to turn
No,
on?
they did it already.
Wow, pretty cool.
They they ran the whole system, got everything set up for me.
Oh, that's awesome.
That's what's great. Like when you do the front system,
Right.
I always leave this pigtail in the back. 'Cause
Gotcha.
The customer usually adds the rear system down the
But
road.
is this is the 4-channel amp, like 4-speaker
It
amp?
always has a 4-channel in it.
Oh,
and-
always?
Yep.
So they don't have one just for the front speakers?
Nope.
Gotcha. Well, that's good. Then you'll, like you said, then you just run that pigtail back here and leave it, and for future, right?
Yep. And the you can set these amps up for 2-channel use only, but I never do.
Gotcha. So this is pretty cool. You guys know that on my older road glides, I'd put out a couple videos where you take off the front fairing and you have to put that, it's like a $15 Amazon, what is it called?
It is an Apple CarPlay dongle.
There you go.
I did have one here. It was sitting here, but the customer brought it with him.
Right.
But
So anyway, so I was looking at what Mike was doing, and I'm like, what are you doing? He said he's going to put Apple CarPlay on the bike. So what are you actually doing?
So we have some software, Techno Research, and we're able to tell the bike that there is a WIM device present.
Oh, okay.
Which is a headset, and the WIM device will then, that the bike thinks it's present, it will actually enable Apple CarPlay.
Oh, that is pretty cool.
So we just did it. Let's see. I'm going to let it reset.
So if anybody wants Apple CarPlay on their older model
So
touring
this would
bike,
be 18, I believe. Whatever is the GTS. I think it was 18 or 19.
right.
Up through 22.
so they could come here and you could
23.
just install. How long does it usually take?
Saddlebag off, 5, 10 minutes. It's like a 15-minute thing.
15-minute thing. All right, you heard Mike. So if you guys want Apple CarPlay on your older model touring bike, just come here. He'll do the techno research. Or you have a ton of the Bluetooth adapters also for the newer bikes.
Yeah, for the IS.
So he has a bunch in stock. Yeah, so either way, he could hook you guys up. Oh, it's on?
Yeah, so-
Oh, cool.
And now we have Apple CarPlay.
Sweet. And you don't need the dongle in the front or nothing?
Nope.
Once it's in, it's in.
Once it's in, it's in. Software
Oh, awesome.
programming.
Cool. But it's not, obviously it's not Bluetooth, you'd still have to
But-
connect.
right.
But you could get the
You could
Bluetooth
get the
adapter.
regular Bluetooth
That's what,
adapters,
yeah, I
and they
had
work.
that too, yep.
Yeah, like
the
ma-
Bluetooth adapter actually put inside the fairing. I ran the wire back inside and kind of
okay.
put in there.
Well, you can even get the inline ones or whatever,
Yeah.
the ones that go in here.
Right.
They make little sticks.
Yep. So now we could just put the bag back on and
Bang on,
test it out, right?
Yeah, we'll strap the cable. I just want to strap the cable down, and that's it. We're done.
Nice. So Mike, if somebody wanted an entire sounds audio system, amp, 2 front speakers, 2 rear speakers, how long does something like that take? You could do it
I
in
can
a
do it
day.
same day.
Same day, right?
Yeah, so they drop the bike off in the morning.
Right.
They'll have it back in the afternoon.
And what, as far as price goes?
Price-wise varies because
Mm-hmm.
Sounds makes a Mirror system and they
Uh-huh.
make an SE system. If you check over here, All the prices are online. If you go to soundsaudio.com, pretty much go to products, pick your bike here. So let's say we're doing a new Street Glide Road Glide, the 24, and the SE system, which is the 1200 watt. Pick your speaker configuration, your bike model. Let's say it's a Road Glide, and let's say it's not a CVO. So your system is $41.99, and that's
the best. That's the best system.
That's the best system out there.
Best. Which one is this one?
This is the SE for the 14 to 23.
Right.
So a dealer installed. This one is $36.99. So it's a little cheaper.
So yeah.
Because the new system has that A to B box that eliminates the amplifier.
Oh, okay.
So about a $500 box.
Gotcha. Box. So this is $3,700, obviously, and then as far as install,
That's installed.
oh, everything. That's
Yeah,
the
so
install price.
The dealer pays us to install.
Oh, gotcha.
So-
Okay, so $3,700.
Yep.
That's not bad at all.
Right, and if we do the installation, it carries a 3-year warranty.
3-year warranty.
If
That's
you
awesome.
buy it yourself and try to do it, then it's an 18-month warranty.
Gotcha.
So it pays to bring it here.
Gotcha. Okay. And then you do everything, obviously, what's shown, cut the bags, put it in, all the wiring.
Yep.
And obviously, there's a lot more work in the front because you got to take
Yeah,
the fairing
amp
off.
is there, the DSP is in there.
Right.
And everything you can see everything is professionally labeled,
Mm-hmm.
tipped. Everything will be tucked away. You won't even see it.
Gotcha.
Here's your positive and negative. You've got your fuse holder tucked away. Everything looks. When I put it back together, everything will look factory.
Sweet. So Mike actually just found the Apple CarPlay dongle. Like I said, I did a bunch of videos, and it actually goes in the front right here. You have to take the entire front fairing off, and then there's going to be a plug underneath the fairing with like a rubber dummy plug, right, Mike?
Yep.
And basically,
Gray plug and a black plug that goes in the gray.
right? Okay, into the gray one. Like, do these fail?
Not really.
Not really, right? So what is this? Is just a kind of
It's
a
pretty
bypass?
it's pretty much a jumper. I've seen
Jumper.
people make them where they just ground the 2 pins out.
Gotcha.
You know, but having it programmed
is the best, right? Because once it's in a bike, it's in there.
then you have to deal with it. And then
Right.
If you got to bring your bike back to the dealer, then they can't say that you did something that
Right.
voided the warranty.
Yeah, that's true too.
electrically, you know.
Right.
So
All right, here we go. All set, all back together. Can't wait to hear it. You guys aren't going to hear a lot of it because the video will get demonetized because the music is copyrighted, but I'll let you hear a couple seconds of it and then tell you what I think afterwards. Crazy. It's so clear. Wow, was that all the way up?
now,
Are you serious?
so
Jeez.
usually we run it 4 dots from the top because that's when the GTS radios start to distort. So that's where we leave them
Wow,
off.
but dude, that is so crystal clear.
Yeah.
Like you said, it's just you're going to be able to.
You're gonna hear this at
riding
any
right
speed.
for riding.
Yep.
Wow,
You're
that
not-
sounds
it's
so
not a parking
clear.
lot pimp, but it's,
Yeah.
it's clear.
So nice. 100%. I would definitely have this all plug and play, right?
All plug and play.
All
everything
plug
comes
and play.
Pre-tipped, pre-measured, pre-cut.
Yeah, and I think it's actually a great value for what you get. Really easy. And you said it comes also with the what's the word I'm looking for? How you
comes
cut it
with
in?
the templates.
The templates, everything, right? Yeah. So anyway, Mike sells the entire kits. Reach out to Mike, or if you want the whole kit installed, 201-880-6440, 221 Gracie Place, Hackensack, New Jersey. This is awesome. I would definitely have this if I had another older model Road Glide. Ah, here we go. This is an awesome system. We'll see you guys on the next one. We got a lot of videos coming out of here from Torque Custom Cycles. See you guys on the next one. Peace out.
You can't